Wu Daoying never expected that to protect his sister, he released the Monkey King, sealed for 500 years. To challenge the almighty Zhenyu and Axian. To stop Zhenyuan's plans, Jinsi Hanzi revealed the truth to the Monkey King's reincarnation. Furious, the Monkey King battled Buddha, shaking heaven and earth. But Buddha turned the tables and sealed him away. In the present, Wu regained his past life's memories and confronted Zhenyu and Axian. Defeated, Wu's consciousness entered a sealed world where he met the Monkey King. The Monkey King urged Wu to break the seal, promising to regain his power and save them all. Reluctantly, Wu agreed, unleashing the Monkey King, whose presence shook Zhenyuan to his core. Their clash was cataclysmic, with Zhenyuan unleashing dark energy and the Monkey King countering with his staff. The Monkey King mocked Zhenyuan, calling him a parasite feeding on humanity. Just then, Erlangshang, the heavenly war god, appeared to challenge the Monkey King. At a critical moment, Wu seized control of the Monkey King's power,